In this video, I will show you how to see previous Discord servers you joined. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up Discord on our device. What you want to do now is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. From your profile screen, you want to come up to the top and press onto the gear icon to go into your settings. And in your settings, you want to go ahead and press onto privacy and safety. Now in here, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll all the way down towards the bottom, and you're going to see an option to request all of your data. Now, if you actually go ahead and give this a press, it's going to come up with a pop-up like this. Now, it can take up to 30 days to collect your data. We will send you an email to the address you registered with when the package is ready. But if you actually go ahead and request your data, what it's going to do is send a copy of all your data related to Discord. So that's going to be your messages and also your Discord server history. So by doing this, you can actually see any previous Discord servers that you joined. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.